everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Ankr coin. What's the current price of the Ankr coin, what's the price in the Ankr coin, and in this video I'm talking about the very important update of the Ankr coin. So please keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I want to share with some price update of the Ankr coin. So remember that, please I suggest for everyone at this time it's time to hold, not to sell. I know the price in the Ankr coin is going negative. The price of the Ankr coin is going down day by day, hour by hour, week by week. But remember, trust me, it's time to take a profit from the Ankr coin, and it's time to hold, friends. Don't decide to sell, it's time to hold, friends. My personal suggestion for everyone that it's time to hold, because the big pump of the Ankr coin are coming soon, friends. Now let's see the the latest price of the Ankr coin in the market. 0.114388 USD dollar is the highest price of the Ankr coin, and the price in the Ankr coin is going negative. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price in the Ankr coin is going negative. So what's your opinion, or what's your prediction about Ankr coin? Please also share in the comment box. Let's see, my friends, the price chart of the Ankr coin and what's going this time in the Ankr coin. So friends, now as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Ankr coin. If you look the start of this month, so in the start of this month they continue has jumped, but unfortunately after some passage of time they again falls down, friends. So you can see here, after some passage of time they again falls down. In the other side, if you look the price changes occurs in the Ankr coin, so negative 19.99% price changes occur in the Ankr coin, and 0.187727 USD dollar is the highest price of the Ankr coin. And now the current price of the Ankr in the market is 0.115001 USD dollar, friends. So approximately a price is fast down 0.7 USD dollar if price is going fast down, friends. So friends, now this time I think the big move, now this time the Ankr coin start moving upward. If we zoom the last hour price is okay in the Ankr coin, so you can see here now on this time they start moving upward. So I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, and they will give us a good amount of profit in the future, friends. So my personal recommendation for everyone is at this time is to hold Ankr coin, friends. As I told you in the start of this video, that is why once again I request everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell. Just for instance, if you decide to sell Ankr coin in this time, so as to know that the last 1 week pricing is negative, so absolutely you are in the loss. And if you hold Ankr coin, so maybe there is a possibility, there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the future, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Ankr coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.